Alright everyone, so this is the humidifier that we bought online. So as you can see in the front, this is a very easy control, and here you can see on and off. There's a timer, so when I'm going to turn it on right now, as you can see, there is also a humidity control. You can set up if you want to do low, you want to do high, but usually we have to set it up low. So there's also fan speed. It's set up to high right now. You can do it low too. You just hear the background. And we have also an indicator here, bucket full indicator. Once your water bucket is already full, it will blink. Here. There's also a clean filter. Once it needs to clean your filter, it will blink also. So on the front, you can see the water bucket here. The access is very easy. All you have to do, let me just turn it off just to show it to you. I will pull it very slowly, okay? Here, look at that. And then there's a handle, you can carry it. So, but for sure, you better carry it with two hands. So this is a hose connector. If you can grab a garden hose, connect it here for continuous draining, that would be great.